It is now our proud privilege to introduce today's distinguished resource person who has rich experience in the field of commodity markets and financial derivatives. Dr. K. Prabhakaran as a director, Edified Tech Coimbatore, SEBI Securities Market Trainer, and empaneled resource person of BSc, NISM, NCDEX, MCX, NSC, and CDSL. He has completed post-graduation in Master of Business Administration with finance specialization at School of Management, Annamala University, and obtained doctoral degree in finance at Bharatiya University, Coimbatore, in the domain of stock market. He has possessed more than 2 decades of teaching industry and research experience in higher educational multicultural settings, including Muscat College, Sultanate of Oman, leading business schools in Tamil Nadu, and leading stock broking companies in India. His research focuses on stock market volatility, mutual fund operations, technical analysis, capital market efficiency, and foreign exchange market. He is an avid researcher and has a number of research papers, case studies, and publications to his credit. He has completed more than 10 NISM and NCFM certifications. He has attended many FDPs and workshops at NISM, IIM, SDEI, BSc, NSC, and reputed institutions. He has been a corporate trainer for equity markets and mutual funds for various financial institutions, mutual funds, and broking houses and others. He holds SEBI Securities Market Trainer and NSC Certificate Market Professional. He has conducted more than 200 SEBI, BSc, NSC, MCX, NCDEX, CDSL, NISM, NCFT, and CA Institute programs, like that investor awareness and financial education programs at Pan India. He has trained more than 6,000 students for NISM, NCFM, certificate courses, and entrepreneurial programs.
We now invite our distinguished speaker, Dr. K. Prabhakaran Garu, to enlighten us with his expert talk on emerging trends in commodity derivatives market. With a round of applause.
Chairman, respected principal, respected head of the department, respected faculty members, respected my dear friends, very warm good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Namaskaram. Thank you so much. So first of all, thank you Dean for giving the wonderful opportunity. I need one program from you. When will it come, sir? Next question. I am very happy. We are all close friends from more than 14 years. Not today, from 2011 onwards, we attended many FDPs, many investment conferences related to only one area, finance. And we also done PhD, sir also done PhD in same area, derivatives. Right? So I have conducted SEBI investor awareness programs, more than 2,300 plus, and 10 hours programs, NISM program more than 140 plus, and then apart from I have own academy. In my company, more than 20 resource persons are available through Gandhi conducting this kind of program as well as value addition courses, 40 hours courses. Now we are doing for the campus to corporate, not this is for marketing. Okay. Now more employment opportunities in that area. I think you people are lucky people. Dean also finance area, HOD also finance area. I think more than Madam also finance, more the finance groups are more this campus, right? I'm very happy. Can you pick up this? Yes. Okay, so you know, not more much taking about basic things. Already they taken, right? I'm going to take some practical aspects only, right? I'm not taking theoretical. Already they reached, right? You know very well about SEBI, right? When was started SEBI? 1992. The three objectives of SEBI: first objective, promote and develop the securities market; second objective, regulate the securities market; third objective, investor safety. So currently, for promoting and develop the securities market, having one separate institute, NISM, National Institute of Securities Market. You know how many of you applied for NISM exam? Free exam available, and intermediate exam available. How many of you now completed free exam? No one. So today I'm going to share the link also. And then intermediate exams available, short-term courses available. Okay. Okay, so next we can take. Currently, apart from this NIS Institute, we have semi-smart trainers, securities market trainer, more than 950 plus currently, and more than 200 semi-smart organizations. We are going to conduct regularly through organization also, through individual also conducting this kind of programs. So, what I am telling is, you know the financial interest rate, before it was, example, before COVID it was less than 90, now it is to more than 30. And so I am telling you approximately. So, why means and demat account also, before going to less than 3 crore, people demat trading account. Now increased to more than 25 crore. Increased to more than 25 crore, and mutual fund investors before going less than 1 crore, now increased to more than 5.5 crore. Rather than population. Population, you know, before going 1 crore, 137 crore, now 147 crore. So that 10 crore increase, we are not responsible. Population increase, I am not responsible, right? But securities market investor increase, we are responsible, right? Are you understand? Population, actually what purpose COVID virus launched? This is launched, right? What purpose? Reduce the population. Reduce the population. What happened? Increase the population, right? But we don't know, right? Next. Yes, so these are all human being life goals. Am I right? As a MBA, engineering, doctor, lawyer, whatever it may be, this is our life goal. Am I right? Yes, so up to 25 we have to complete your education, you can start your career. Am I right? Maximum 25 to 28, you have to select your best and best life partner. Am I right? Yes, that is very important in our life. Why means? If you join any job, your job is not satisfied, you can change. Life partner not like that. Life partner not like that. Am I right? Up to end of your life, for example, children will come at the age of 26 or 27, he will go at the age of 52. Am I right? Then after marriage, they send out hi mom, bye mom, send out, right? That send out to home, but not like that life partner. Am I right? And then after getting marriage, getting children education, and then buying a divorce, buying a car, foreign tour, am I right? Yes or no? And then buying agriculture and retirement planning, you can start today onwards. For example, NPS, Noted National Pension System, APY, Adult Pension Yojana, you can start today onwards. For an APY, maybe your age is 21, you should pay per month 300 rupees. Per month 300 rupees, not for you, madam, only for that guy, right? Maybe there are more than 40 not eligible for this scheme, Adult Pension Yojana, right? Maybe madam eligible, right? Madam, you are eligible, madam, no issue. Please, myself and sir, madam, not eligible for Adult Pension Yojana. And one more scheme, all are eligible, NPS, National Pension System, minimum investment 500 rupees. Minimum 500 rupees, maximum up to you 10,000, 20,000 until you can invest. But you should invest regularly. So who regulate pension funds in India? Next question. Who regulate pension funds in India? Regulatory bodies. PFRDA, Noted Pension Fund Regulatory and Development Authority. Kindly open your mouth. You are first year, right? Okay, no problem. Answer right or you can talk. Okay. I am very happy. Actually, I am not a professor. Okay, I am a trainer for this area. Fine. So, as a human being, we should know two things. We should know our family income and expenses. Family? Already you prepare accounting for manager, right? First semester, right? That will be different. Exam point of view, right? But personal life, we should know your family monthly income expenses. So, for example, your monthly income, you can assume 1 lakh rupee. So, how much we can we to spend? First 20%, what can we do? Very good. Savings, we can big club is savings. And then what about another 50%, 30%? 50% for basic needs, food, clothes, medicines, like that. 30% you can do enjoyment. This is the budget, right? 50-20 ratio. Everyone should follow, but try to increase your income, reduce your expenses, right? And then what about next goal for as a human being? Maximize wealth. How to maximize wealth? We know asset value, we know our family liability value. So we should increase our asset, decrease your liability. For example, your investment converted to wealth. Investment is a short-term investment, is a long-term. I told you 20%, right? Savings is a short-term, less than 1 year. Investment more than 1 year. For example, how much ratio we should maintain asset liability? Maximum how much liability in our life having? We can manage liability. How much percentage? 5, 10, 20, 30. Any options? Liability. Example, in your home asset value 1 crore. How much you can take for loan? Pardon? 20. Very good. Exactly. Maximum 20%. When you is going to increase, the 20% come down. 20%. If 0, you are very happy. Stress is free. If you buy home 25 or 30, example, 1 crore value you can buy one apartment. So every month you should pay EMI up to 30 years. Better buy such an up to 35, don't buy home dream apartment here. So you can earn money through multiple options available. SIP available, RIT transfer available, we can buy. We will discuss about next. So after 35, example, you have a plan for on-crore buying of home today. So after 10 years, it will definitely increase to 2 crore. Inflation every year increase 7%, 6.7 to 7% it will increase automatically, right? Am I right? So it will take for 2 crore. For example, at the age of 35, you are having more than 1.2 crore, you can get 80 lakhs for housing loan. You can apply it, right? Yes. So this before take photo. Yes, this you take photo. This photo given to whom? Your father or mother? In your family, who is your home manager? Mother. In any home, even me also, sir also, here only come. When we go to home, we should not talk anything. Why means they put more salt or more spicy. It's happen. We are not like that. Most of the family in not only Andhra, not only Tamil Nadu, through Pan India, who is home manager? Mom, daddy is dummy only. Right? Mommy is only king, right? Happen, you can show this picture to your mom, right? Yes. I'll taken. So the next. Yeah, next. Yes. So investment, we know the traditional investment, modern investments. Traditional investments, we know 3 things: land, physical gold, and bank deposits. Even though we can take post office also. Apart from many options available, we can take for pension plans, NPS, APY, and PPF. Also for modern investment strategy for long-term purpose. And then bonds and debentures. Past 4 years, bonds and debenture market also increased more than 5% people are now investing in bonds, especially for general. Before only bonds and debentures investing for corporate. Now general public investing. So what about risk return? Investment related to risk return. Am I right? Take for example our life. So which life risk free? Children life or college life or after marriage? Children risk free, right? So which is risky? Before marriage or after marriage? So which marriage high risk? Which marriage high risk? Purely arranged marriage or purely love marriage? Everybody know, right? Which is low risk? Arranged marriage. What about moderate risk? Love come arrange or one more batch started 2020. Arrange come love. That also moderate risk. Am I right? Yes or no? Fine. So coming to investment point of view, low risk investments, for example, bank deposit, post office, bonds and debentures, pension funds are maximum you can get 10% return. Some bonds only you can get 11 or 12%, up to 12%. Not for all the bonds. Few bonds you can get 11 to 11.5, 12%, right? And I asked a basic question. All are having bank account?
Yes.
If you maintain the minimum balance, what are the benefits? Risk coverage. For example, you can get for insurance, PMJP, Pradhama Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana scheme. You can do. Okay, next. And then CIBIL score will not reduce. And then every 3 months you can get rate of interest. What about rate of interest? Any case? Pardon? Very good. Exactly correct. 2.5 to 3 maximum. Some banks will give 3.5. Very good. Clap. So what about 10 deposits? Rate of interest 7, right? What about bonds and debentures? You can get up to 12. What about pension plans? NPS, LPI, more or less 7.2. 7.2. Pension funds are the PFRDA. Pension Fund Regulated Development Authority. Banks are regulated by RBI, Reserve Bank of India, right? Am I right? So next, discuss about fund. Next, mutual funds, gold, real estate, market risk applicable, right? I'm going to discuss about now real estate. So now we can buy real estate only physical mode, right? Apart from, I'm going to share about our real estate investment plus rate. We can invest minimum 10,000 rupees into multiple, risk is applicable. So currently it comes under the equity category. From 1 and 2%, 26 salaries also is equity category. You can start investment with constant. For example, 22, your age is from 21 and 22. Maybe you're going to marry 25 and 26, right? Another 1 or 2 years you are getting children, right? Possible or not? Before marriage, not possible for getting children. So after marriage, possible, right? So another 10 years we are going to buy a home. So you can plan with constant. So you can get return 10 to 15%. So currently more than 10 plus company available, red card company, trading in BSC and NSC. You can buy minimum. Monthly also you can invest 10,000 rupees, right? And market, within a day you can get 10% profit. Within a day you can lose 10%. Derivatives, within a day you can get double. 1 lakh if you are investing, you can get 2 lakh also. Within a day you can triple also. Going the right? Within a day, it is dangerous one. So currently I am going to share on data, semi data, especially for the past 4-5 years. Many young traders are more than 75,000 crores from derivative market. And currently, for example, if traders out of 100%, 93% traders are lose the money. Only 7% traders are only gain the money. One of my students also very strong derivative. He also done PhD in derivative. He is a professor in finance area. Last 3 years, he lost more than 1 crore. He is a very middle class family. Okay, but he is a very middle class family. That's why I am telling. So try to avoid trading. So you can take a position trade. I will tell you next. Yes. So you know very well about gold, right? You know the difference between 24, 22, 18, right? Which gold we are using as a jewelry purpose? 22, right? Exactly correct. So what is the difference between 22 and 24? 2 different, 2%, right? Only accounting teacher teaches, right? Next teacher also teaches, like not like that. You know the differences. So what is the current gold price? So we can see one app. You have mobile? To take mobile. Take store. We can download app. Every day you can watch it. Go to download Kitco.
All of you know the terminologies are uses like reads, all these things.
Apart from subject, you can download it. Subject also, more gurus are here, right? They are teaching, right? Go to Kitco Gold. KITCO Kitco. Okay, Kitco Gold. KITCO Kitco. Gold. Blue color background available. Blue color background available. Yes or no? Yes. So you can take for download it. Kitco Gold. What is the price now? All are having mobile phone. You can try. Kitco Gold. It will take maximum 1 minute. You can download the app. KITCO Kitco. How much? No, wait. I'm telling you dollar. I must be, don't convert it. Okay? So what is the dollar price? 5,000? You can see the price of dollar, right? 5,000 or 4,000 something?
4,994.
Yes, 4,994. 94, 4994, fancy number, right? 4994, this is 1 ounce price. You can note it, this is 1 ounce. 1 ounce equal to 31.1 gram. 1 ounce equal to 31.1 gram. So now we can convert. Say for example, I am going to say about story for today gold price, why going positive. What are the factors affecting gold prices? Generally, we are telling about demand supply, okay. What about last 6 months? Why gold prices continuously increased? Before one year it was $3,000 at the same time. Now it is to $5,000. Why? More than double. So last year same time 7,000 rupees something. Now around 4,000, 14,000 something. What are the why? Simple answer. Trade war. Trade war. Most of the central banks are buying gold. Instead of currency change to gold. Instead of currency change to gold. Fine. So we can convert to gold price. You take mobile. Gold above. You can see the gold is 4994 above. You can see US dollar. You can change to INR. And ounce available. Change to gram. Above gold now. Go to app. Go to app, not go to website. The app is good, yes, like this. You can download the app, you can see the data, all data, silver, gold, copper. This is a world market price. So the today price is, you can see the conversion, 1 gram equal to 14,626. 14,626, 1 gram. Can you note it? 1 gram, 24 carat equal to 14,626. We can convert 22 carat. You can use calculator. 14,626 divided by 99.9 divided by 99.9 multiplied by 1.9. What is the value? This is already currency conversion also converted. So what about today? $1 equal to how much? 90? $1 US dollar, $1 equal to how much value? Indian conversion currency equal to 90? This is important. So we can see the data through NC.com website or app available. XE.com. All currency conversion we can see. XE.com. XE, it is a 24 hours market, same like crypto. XE.com we can see only currency conversion. More than 200 countries we can convert the currency. How much? 91 something. Okay, leave it. So now what is the value? 24 carat? 14,626. We can convert 14,626 divided by 91.9. 99.9 multiple 91.9. How much? 13,000? 13,000 for 454. 13454, right? 13454 plus 6% import tax. Import tax currently 6%. Before it was 10 also. Up and down scale, right? Currently 6% import tax. Calculate 13,454 into 6%. You can add it 807. You can add it. 13,454 plus 807. How much? 22 price plus 8%, 6% import tax. How much? 14,261. So this is 1 gram 22 gram price. 14,261 equal to 1 gram 24. Into 8, this is 1 sovereign. Into 8. Yes? 114088. 1140. The price in 1 sovereign today in India. Am I right? Plus, if you buy jewelry, how much you should pay extra money? GST 3%. Additional charges, service charges including local tax and making charges around 2 to 3%, around 6%. Total how much? 1,14,000 plus 6 into 6%, around 7,000 rupees you should pay for buying 1 sovereign coin, right? And if you buy jewelry, we should pay minimum how much making charges and wastages? GST including minimum 15%, maximum 25%. Am I right? If you buy jewelry today, minimum you should pay 1,30,000. Maximum 1,40,000. Am I right? Fine. Which country having more gold? Or central banks? No. US. More than 8,133 tons having, right? Which country people having more gold? Obviously our country. How much Indian people are having gold? Total gold in the gold total. For example, all central banks have kept it gold reserve less than 30,000 crore. Indians are having more than 34,000 crore. Indians are having more than 34,000 crore. If gold price will come down to per sovereign to 20,000 rupees, who is going to suicide? Our people, right? Am I right? We are going to keep on buying our gold, right? Especially for women, right? I ask one basic question: which state given more dowry in India, except Andhra, except Tamil Nadu? Tamil Nadu guys are very worst now. Dowry we given maximum 57. What about Andhra? What about minimum and maximum dowry? Marriage proposal. 20 or 30 or 100?
1 CS.
Pardon?
1 CS.
1 crore for money, cash, no dowry. Huh? It's only dowry 1 crore, but not like when you go to visit Kerala, a boy is not in the data, right? In India, Kerala only given more dowry, minimum 100 sovereign. What is the value today? 1 sovereign equal to 1,20,000 into 100, 1.2 crore, minimum 1.2. If you have MBA, you can eligible for 1.2 crore, right? And up to 1,000 sovereign they will give dowry. Up to 1,000 sovereign they will give dowry, right? Okay, up to your profile, up to you select your life partner background also, right? You can try. Nowadays, for example, marriage is difficult to getting, life partner getting difficult. Nowadays very easy. Only 2 apps. One is Insta, one is Matrimony, right? You can find very easy. Matrimony also within the state or within the country you can find. But Insta you can find other country also. Indian people are guide, German guy, right? Possible or not? Fine. Coming to next. So which is best option? My suggestion: don't buy physical gold. It is 100% safety less. 100% safety less. We can buy next. We can buy first option submerged bond. Recently RBI stock, but you can buy through stock exchange. But this is risk free. But this year up to this year tax free. Next year onwards taxable. So long term capital gains you should pay is best option. We can buy minimum 1 gram submerged bond. So mutual funds also we can buy through stock. Gold also we can buy through mutual fund schemes. Minimum 250 rupees. Okay, lump sum amount 500, SIP 250. And we can buy one more option, gold ETF. Gold ETF, not in next. ETF means exchange traded funds. ETF, exchange available. Okay. So my suggestion, you can buy gold ETF. You can go to Google. More than 30 ETF available. I'm going to say only one. Tata Gold. We believe India only Tata, right? Rather than other companies, right? You can buy Tata Gold. So what you need today, 14 rupees something. You can see your Google. Go to your check it your mobile. Tata Gold. What is the price? What? 14 rupees? 88 paise. Minimum you can buy 1 unit. This is equal to 1 cup of coffee, cup of tea, right? So you can pay per monthly minimum 10, 20 like that. Am I right? This when you go to marry that time it will use. Am I right? You give some surprise gift also. You can try it, right? Okay, every month you can try. For example, every month you can buy for 20 unit, not more than 20. Per annum how much? 20 into 12, around 240. 10 years, 2,400. 40 years, 9,600. So today value what is the price? 150 rupees. So another 40 years maybe it will reach to 300 per unit possible. Another 40 years. Calculate 9,600 into 300 rupees. What is the total value? More than 30 lakhs. More than around 30 lakhs. So this is called small savings. This is called very small savings. You can try this option. So monthly 20 unit. What is the value? Rupees. Maybe next year 400 rupees. Next year 500 rupees. It's not big amount. 2 cup of ice cream, right? 2 cup of ice cream. Am I right? You can buy it. Next. So and then today emerging investments. Next one stock market. So already madams are also taking for primary market. Next year going to take. Am I right, sir? I'm going to take basics only. So you should open trading and demat account. SEBI registered broking company. 200 plus companies available. Stock broking company. Example: Zerodha, Upstocks, Kotak Securities, Angel One, Alliance Blue, GeoG. This kind of companies available. 1200 plus company available. You can open demat account trading account through online mobile app. So they need 3 documents. One is PAN card compulsory, second one bank account compulsory, third one Aadhaar card or driving license, any one compulsory. These 3 documents you have scan copy in your mobile, you can open demat account trading account as possible. Within 1 day it will open. But SEBI now insists to all companies don't charge anything for demat charge initially. But if you buy and sell, you can pay commission. Okay. So you can open demat account, trading account. Primary market, secondary market means when company issue first time, that is called primary market. I asked basic question, yes, in the background. Who can issue securities to the general public? Who can issue? Correct? Very good. No. SEBI is a regulator, not company. SEBI is regulating for all these securities. Who issuing securities to the general public? First one, public limited company. Second one, government companies. Third one, municipalities or financial institutions. Fourth one, mutual fund companies issuing security. Public limited company, government company can issue bonds, debentures, shares also. And municipalities and banks for public limited okay issue shares. Municipality can issue debentures. Mutual fund company only issuing mutual funds. Only issuing mutual funds, right? I'm going to discuss about mutual fund also. Fine. And shares issuing only 2 companies, public limited and government company. Next. So we can buy primary markets. That is called we are telling about IPO, FPO. What is the minimum investment? 15,000. 15. So opening and closing dates are 3 to 10 working days. 3 to. Okay. Currently we are expecting this month on leading stock exchange IPO. Which exchange can you guess? We know how many stock exchange in India? 3. BSE, NSE, one more MSC. Okay, BSE already all are public limited company. BSE issued already shares are trading now for 5,000 rupee plus. Now NSE going to come for IPO. Maybe next week possible. I can't decide, next also not decided. You can check website, NSE website, IPO will come. So one lot equal to 15,000 rupees. So that shares you can resell to only stock exchange, that is secondary market. So what is the power of equity? You can see power of equity. For example, your grandparents or your family members, anyone bought 100 share 100 rupee, total value 10,000 rupee invested in 1980. The Wipro company, the current value more than 1,200 crore. 1,000? Are you believing me or not? It's not my data. This is general data. You can go to Google also. Power of equity plus Wipro, you can get Google also. It's 1,200 crore. Not like the real estate also. Real estate you can get maximum 200 crore. Your grandparents bought in your village or town 10,000 rupee value in 1980. You can get now maximum 200 crore. But out of equity, 1,200 crore not for all the companies. Only this company. Some companies are like this. Some IT companies. Right? Next. Yes. Next. Yes. How many stock exchange in India? BSE, NSE, MSE. So we can buy and sell shares through primary, through secondary market, through stock exchange. What about Indian stock market timing? Can you guess?
9:15 to 3:30.
Pardon?
9:15 to 3:30.
Very good. 9:50 to 3:30. What about working days, stock market working day. Monday to Friday, except central government holiday. Except, what about Diwali? Market holiday or working? Working, only 1 hour working. That market we are telling about Muhurta training. Muhurta training. So what, for example, you people are going to marry, right? Who is going to fix the date for you? Especially for pure arranged marriage. Depending on the date of the before they go next week, they are going to close the account, right? They are going to see the profit or loss. So that's why that is they are telling you about Muhurta training. Muhurta training, right? So actually, as a human being going to marriage rate is positive. It should take positive or negative. Positive or negative? We should take positive. For example, how many years you married? 15 years gone. You escape 15 years always down, right? Come down, right? Me also 16 years gone. Every year my wife was 5 years. 5 years now. Only 5. Okay, fine. So you people are not selecting your life partner. Take care, right? Life partner should be very, very important. And my suggestion, 2026 onwards, don't do arranged marriage. Don't do love marriage. Which is best option?
No marriage.
No marriage. It's very, very high danger, right? Every human being asks me, not married? You are not married? Not married. No marriage is not good. No marriage. Okay, next. Yes. So we can next we can take for mutual funds. So currently, most of the young people are preferring mutual funds. Am I right? Yes or no? What is mutual funds? Anyone? Can you give us some? Say a simple example. What will be mutual funds? Answer right or wrong? Tell me. What will be mutual funds? Pardon? Mutual funds. Answer right or wrong? We can talk Telugu also. I can understand. But I not having Telugu, but I know Telugu. Little bit, right? My wife friends also Telugu. She know Telugu, I know Telugu. Little, not more much. I can't talk. I can understand. If you are shouting me, I can understand. Right? Okay. What about mutual funds? Very simple. This class, more than 100 students are here. I am going to collect 5,000 rupees per bed, right? So total amount how much? 5 lakhs. I am going to, example, I am a mutual fund company, fund manager. Mutual fund company, fund manager. I am going to invest in different securities. So what is securities? Bonds, debentures, shares, gold, real estate and liquid funds. I am going to invest in different securities. Again return given to you. That is called mutual funds. So mutual funds are now and next 10 days is emerging investment. So say for example, last year data. So for example, last year data more than 40% for Nifty companies, more than 40% investing for FIs. Now mutual fund company 44%, 4% increase. The gross mutual fund investments also every month going to increase. For before COVID, it was mutual fund investors less than 1 crore. Now more than 5.5 crore. More than 5.5 crore. Okay. So and then okay. So I will be small. I will take some cup of tea. Meanwhile, you can take small assignment. Go to 2 websites. bseindia.com. You can see the Sensex companies. I visit that one, Sensex and Nifty. Now listen, go to nseindia.com, nseindia.com. You can see the Nifty chart. Nifty chart before Nifty 50 available. You can click in Nifty 50. go to NSEindia.com. You can see the Nifty 50 companies, and you can see one more website, BSEindia.com. You can see the Sensex 30 companies. These are top 13 50 companies. Every day you should update the data. Every day you can, so I will show you on poster also. My students, actually I am regularly conducting the classes in Kapam University, Coimbatore. They are going to prepare, I am going to share data. You can, everyone do this one, this through Canvas software, okay? Okay, so what are the Nifty Sensex companies? Can I share on practical information? Sensex and Nifty companies are top 30 companies of Indian top 50 companies of India. Am I right? For example, every day morning we are wake up, we are going to use toothpaste or leg paste. Hand paste or toothpaste? Hand paste, right? They are using mobile, right? So which network we are using mostly? But Jio and Airtel, am I right? This is top first company and third company, right? And we are having bank account. Which banks we have bank account? SBI, HDFC Bank, Axis Bank, and then Canara Bank, right? Canara Bank now comes at the top 50. Okay. And every day we are eating food, right? Every day we are eating medicines. Which company medicine we are eating? Yes. Dr. Reddy, very Reddy girl, right? Dr. Reddy. And then Sun Pharma, Cipla, Ranbaxy, right? Biocon. These companies we can take medicines. And then every day using vehicle, two-wheeler, right? In India, what company we are using? What? Which company we are using? Tata Maruti. Tata Maruti, right? Which company petrol pump we are using regularly?
When I don't take two photos and 30-second video sends you same like that and this area to do.
Okay, fine, guys. Okay, listen now. Actually, this is Sensex and MD companies, top 1350. So now we can move to commodities. So commodity we can buy spot market and derivatives. Spot market means we can pay full amount. Derivative we can pay only for margin, nominal, initial margin or premium. So for example, so what is commodity? Commodity is nothing but, so we are using regular product in our, example, Example, agricultural commodities, non-agricultural commodity available. Agricultural commodities, wheat, chena, soya, like that. Non-agricultural metal, gold, silver, copper, nickel, zinc, aluminium, and then natural resources, crude oil, and then electricity now recently launched, and then natural gas. So, and these are all for non-agricultural commodities. So currently we have 5 commodity exchanges available. We know 3 stocks, including 2, NCDEX and NCDEX. NCDEX, multi-commodity exchange, and NCDEX, national commodity exchange, having commodity trading also. This launched in India after 2000. For currently Indian stock market capitalization around 470 lakh crore, but per day volume and derivative more than that. So more than that. For example, currently Indian investors very less. Fees more, speculators. Fees more. So currently this year, that's why Government of India plan reduced the fluctuations. That's why the security transaction tax increased for future adoption. What about how much increase for future products? Very good, very good. We can pick it up as 0.02 to 0.05. What about options? 0.15 to 0.125. No, 0.125 to 0.15. Very good. Clap it now. Other things are the same. Only one change for security transaction, right? Super. Okay, so now we can go to continued commodity. Last 10 minutes I have discussed about for mutual funds, right? Fine. So nowadays, so we can buy commodity through spot market and futures. For example, in Nellore, more production. Any agriculture or any metal, which product? In Nellore, in Andhra.
Rice.
Yes. Tirupati carrot give me a laddu. That will be different, right? But for rice, which rice? Samba. Sannaru, right? For example, Sannaru, when you are going to cultivate, this month or next month? Already cultivated, huh? December? When?
March.
Yeah, for example, March 25th, you should note it now. March 25th going to cultivate. March and declination. March 31st is March 31st. The product will be cultivated. So here the price in Nellore per kg for rice 70 rupees. In Tamil Nadu the price is 100 rupees. What can I do? So I bought from Nellore, sell to Coimbatore, Emirate and Chennai. So there is called spot market. I am going to pay full amount. Emirate. When I come to Nellore, I am going to buy. There is called spot market. What about futures? We can buy through online. Fine. Can you note it? So what are the products available? So what are the types of derivatives? Note it. First one, futures. Second one, option. Futures, option. Third one, forward. Fourth one, swap. Future, option, forward, swap. 4 types of derivative available. Future and option, both the products are trading only in ETF, exchange traded funds. Any one exchange. And swap and forward comes under the OTC. What is OTC? Over the counter. Right? Fine. Next we are going to discuss about first future forward contract. What is forward contract? Agreement between two parties. Not an agreement between two parties. Exchange any kind of goods and services. Forward means any 2 person, not for exchange, not for Indian, not for foreign. Any 2 person. Exchange agreement between two parties, exchange any kind of goods and services. For example, Nellore having price, right? So I am going to make an agreement. So March 31st, you will give 10,000 kg rice to me. I will pay the money to you. Rate also fixed, price also fixed, warranty also fixed. Per kg 70 rupee, 31st March, and per kg 70 rupee. That is called forward contract. For example, in my area, Bangalore having some tender government. So today price around 25 rupees. So sir asking, sir, I need 10,000 tender government. So when March 1st, April 1st week, summer started. Okay, so we are going to make agreement, oral agreement. So fix the price of tender coconut 30 rupees. For coconut 30, how much coconut rates are for? 10,000. 10,000 into 30, how much? Around 3 lakh rupee I am going to receive from sir, not today, when we are going to send the product. So this is called forward contract. Agreement between two parties, exchange any kind of goods or services. Am I right? Fine. Say for example, what about swap means agreement between two parties, exchange only two products. Currencies and interest rates. Currencies and interest rates. Example, she will go to next year after getting completing MBA, right? Maybe job or marriage. She is going to settle in Malaysia. So she need which currency? Ringgit, Malaysian ringgit. I have 10,000 ringgit. Okay. She want 2027, 2028 February 14. 2028 February 14 needed $10,000. It's a 10,000 ringgit. So I will say rate also fixed. Price also fixed today 20 rupees. Maybe another only increase to 21 or 22. So we can fix it 21. Agreement between two parties, exchange only currencies and interest rates. Okay. Now we can move to the future contract. Future contracts are agreement between you and exchanges. You and exchanges. Okay. Okay. Next note. What are the products available? Future options available in India. First one, equity derivatives. Equity derivatives, you can mention separately. Equity derivatives. Second one, commodity derivatives. Third one, currency derivatives. Equity, commodity, currencies. Fourth one, interest rate derivatives. Equity derivatives, we can exchange we can buy and sell through 3 exchanges. What are the exchanges? BSE, NSE, MSE. Very good. So commodity we have 5 exchanges. BSE, NSE, MSE, MCX and NCDEX. Okay. So the BSE, NSE, for example, we can take for only NSE. So NSE having 4 products available. Not it. First one, stock futures. Stock futures. Second one, stock option. Okay. First time take stock futures. Stocks is nothing but same like companies. For example, what about today Reliance Industries stock price? Don't ask questions, right? Around 1,400 rupees. How much? In spot market we can buy 1 cent, 2 cent, 10 cent, 100, 500, like that. Am I right? But in derivative they are going to fix the lot size. NSE fix the lot size 1 lot equal to 5 lakhs. How much? 5 lakh rupees. 1 lot equal to Reliance Industries 600 stars. How much? 600. So what is the total value? 600 into 1,400. How much? Around 8,40,000, correct? So we should buy minimum 1 lot. We should buy minimum 1 lot. There is no stock future. We can buy today. The contract date also mentioned by exchange. Not for standard customized. Standard is lot size fixed by exchange. So compared to forward contract and future contract, forward means agreement between two parties. This is customized, not standardized. But for future contracts are standardized. NSE 1 lot for Reliance Industries how much? 600 stars. So we can pay minimum 1 lot. 1 lot is value 8,000, 8,40,000. We should pay only margin of current percentage. All right? 8,40,000 and 21%. 8,40,000 and 28%. How much? 8 plus more than 1,70,000. Yes, 1,68,000. You can assume 1,70,000 rupees. We should pay. We can buy 1 lot of Reliance Industries. So we can buy the contract basis. Currently 3-month contract available. February available. March, April available. When will going to close the contract? Not in every month of last Thursday. Every month of last Thursday. For all NSE contracts. Every month of last Thursday. Okay, so we can, for example, you can buy March month contract. When will go close? March 27 or 28, right? Before that we are going to sell it, close it, sell it. Am I right? And one more example we can take for Nifty. What about Nifty? NSE parameter. So Nifty we can buy through only futures, not spot market, right? Nifty 1 lot size equal to now 75. So what about today Nifty? 25,000. Calculate it. 25,000 multiple 75. What is the total value? 8 16. Okay, fine. You can assume 17 lakh. We should pay initial margin of 17 lakh. You can pay on account of 15. For example, future conduct we can do two strategy: bull and bear. Bullish and bearish. Long position, short selling. Long means we can buy today, we can sell next month or up to last date of. But if market come down, bearish market, what can we do? Short selling also. We can sell today, we can buy tomorrow or up to last date. So we cannot get long and short. Okay. So depending on the market condition, bull market we can go for long, bear market we can go for short. So same margin. So one more example we can take for commodities, right? So we can buy gold before with three options: gold ETF, and then sovereign bond for electronic gold. Fourth option we can buy through NCDEX, multi-commodity exchange. So note it, four kinds of lots available. Lot size: normal gold, gold mini, normal gold, gold mini, gold gunia, gold patel. Four kinds of lots. Prices are same, don't panic. But the lot size only differ. Well, sir, having a lot of experience in finance. Yes, okay. So lot size only differ. Not yet.
Is the younger
Young finance guy, right?
derivatives.
Young derivative, here are old derivative, right? So when I studied derivative 2005, I am a first person in Coimbatore, right? Sir was the first person in Nellore, right? When 2005-06, right? So I have some three derivative exams: commodity, equity, and currencies, right? You will also going to have you complete exams, sir? Derivative? Why, sir? Try to complete this one, sir. I will pay the money, sir. Don't worry, sir, right?
I pay.
Right. Okay. See, let's say for example, yeah, we can take for the gold. Lot size 1 not equal to 1 kg. 1 not equal to 1 kg. And then gold mini 1 not equal to 100 gram. 100 gram. Gold gunia 1 not equal to 8 gram. Lot size will be different. Prices are same. And then gold patel 1 not equal to 1 gram. So which one we can take example? 100 gram or 8 gram? Madam? Very smart, madam. We can take gold mini. Gold mini we can buy 1 lot equal to 100 gram. So what is it today? 1 gram around 40,000 something. We can assume 15,000. So 15,000 into 100 how much? 15 lakh. But first, if you want to buy spot market for 100 gram, we should pay 15 lakh plus 5%. Right? Around 5% how much? 75,000 rupees extra, right? Say for example, we can buy through MCX. For example, see going to predict before this August 31st, the gold price will reach to 18,000 rupees. Today, what is the price? 16,000. Okay, so the 15,000 will reach to 18,000. See going to buy today's spot market, she paid 15 lakh 75,000. She going to pay only 10% margin. How much? 15 lakh and 10% how much? 1,50,000 only she paid today, getting 1 lot of gold, 100 gram gold. She paid it derivatives, she paid it spot market. But I'm going to suggest for C, try to pay 20% margin. Why means every day the price fluctuation is going on. So example, before 10 years, so before 3 months, the gold price fluctuation like this only. Now like this. Am I right? So every day gold price go to 5% plus or next day 5% minus happen. Fluctuations going on. That's why what we have suggested for all position traders, not traders. Position traders, we should pay minimum 20% margin. Then only you are safe as well. So you paid how much? 3 lakh. Wait, after 4 months, the price will reach to 18,000. How much? Both are getting profit. Buying 15, selling 18. How much profit per gram? 3,000. 100 gram? 3 lakhs. She paid 3 lakhs. She got 3 lakhs. She will get 3 lakhs. She paid how much? 15 lakhs 75,000. She going to pay in stock market. Again, reduce the 4% rate, right? Buying at 15 lakhs 75, selling at 18 lakhs. What is the price? Profit? 2.25, maybe 20,000 also loss. You get only 2 lakh profit, which is best option. We paid, for C paid around 16 lakh, say got 18 lakh. C paid 3 lakh, say got 3 lakh, which is best option. 3 lakh plus 3 lakh, am I better? You should not do like humble request. Okay? For example, madam, one more example, madam asking Patel. So same, what about gold Patel 1 gram? 15,000. You can pay today, madam, you should pay 20% margin. How much? 3,000 rupee enough. You can buy 1 gram 50,000 through gold Patel. At the last date you can exit. What is the selling price? 18,000. How much you can get profit? 3,000 rupee. You can try this one, this option. 100% next to 1 year gold price will reach to $6,000 or $5,000. Within a start span of the time it will reach to 6,000. In Indian rupee more than 18,000 rupee per gram. You can assume what is the value? 80,000 into 8, more than 1,70,000 rupee for 1 sovereign. It will reach to within a year possible. You can buy one more option also. Last 1 year you can see from 2020 you can take from 2025 February 14 to 2026 February 14. Why I am taking for February 14? We are Remembrance Day, right? Right? This is a black day or white day for you?
White day.
White day. Yeah, it's okay, I am very happy. Fine. So last 1 year, what about gold return? More than 100%, 100 to 104% as of now. Right? Before 2 weeks it was 110%. Now come down to nearly 1 or 2%. Compared to silver, more than triple. Okay, last year the price was per gram 80 rupees. Now more than 340 rupees gone. Now come down to 260 rupees. Am I right? So you can buy gold and silver. My suggestion, you can buy more gold, you can buy less silver, right? Rather than other investments. 2026 is a emerging investment. Better, my suggestion, don't buy physical gold. Physical golds are very less safe. Why means if you're wearing hand, gold also missing, hand also missing, right? Wearing hair also missing, right? Wearing chain, your life also not guaranteed. So better. So for example, I ask the basic question: you having gold? You gold kept it to your home or to your bureau? It's correct. Where we can keep your gold? Locker. Locker also no safe. Who told? Are we for given guarantee for your lockers? No. So my suggestion, you can have gold. You can go to pledging with nationalized banks, rate of interest around 8.8 to 9%. So that amount you can invest in e-gold. Minimum you can get 40% return. So what about net return? 30% you can get the return. Last year one girl saving like you, one girl do like this. 5 lakh rupee getting pledging the amount investing in e-gold. Now she got more than 100% profit. 5 lakhs plus 5 lakhs. This information I shared to my wife. My wife Saudi. My wife was shouted in the, actually how many of you know Tamil? You can understand Tamil?
Yes.
Right. ஏன்னா நான் எனக்கு தெரியல எனக்கு முடியாது ரைட்டா வைஃப் என்ன சொல்ல சொன்னா உனக்கு நாலேஜ் இருக்கா அறிவு இருக்கா டெய்லி போய் இந்த மாதிரி ட்ரைனிங் போயிடு நீ இந்த ஜாப் பண்ணியா பண்ணல நீ இதை வந்து எங்கிட்ட சொல்லிட்டு இருக்க இனிமேல் நாளைக்கு இந்த மாதிரி பண்ணின உனக்கு சாப்பாடுல right? So like this, try to do this year average you can try, okay? So rate of interest is 8.8%. Minimum you can get return 30%, not 40. So how much your net profit? More than 10-20%. Your gold also highly safe. Gold also highly safe. For past 1 year, most of the people do like this. You can go to gold. Listen, if you go to bank, if you asking any kind, first they are going to check CIBIL score, except gold loan. If you have gold, you can go to bank, give to 107, you can get minimum per 80,000 rupees now. You can get loan. Within 2 hours, within 1 hour, you can get loan. This is highly secure product. This is highly, actually I am telling about collateral security. It's highly collateral. within 1 hour you can get the loan, right? Next. Yes, now we can buy gold or say gold okay. Now we can take for another example. Currencies. Currencies also we can buy currency exchange. We have 3 exchanges available: BSC, NSC. So we can buy only 4 currencies noted: US dollar, euro, pound, yen. US, euro, pound, yen. We can buy. For example, US dollar 1 not equal to 1000 currency. I am taking example only for NSC. Okay, 1000 currency we can buy. Today one currency 91 rupees. So we can pay minimum 1 lakh. 1 lakh into 1000. How much? Total value 91,000. 1000 into 91, 91,000. We should pay 10% margin. We should pay 10% margin. So the rates also fixed by exchange NSE. Every month of last working day. Commodity depending on that. Every month of last working day, every month of 5th like that. But commodity is a different case. Equity and currency will be same rate. Equity every month of last Thursday, currency every month of last working day. We can pay minimum for US dollar 1000. 4 currencies, 3 currencies are 1000. Only one currency 10,000. We take one example for US dollar, right? Fine. And one more example we can make for turmeric. You know turmeric, cotton, pepper. We can make through NCDEX, National Commodity Derivative Exchange. Turmeric 1 lot equal to 5 metric ton. 1 lot equal to 5 metric ton. Margin requirement 11%. Rate also every month of 20. Every month of 20. And crude oil we can buy through NCDEX. Crude oil minimum 1 barrel. 1 barrel equal to what is the price today? 1 barrel crude oil. $75, right? Approximately. Very good price. Approximately $75, right? Who fixed the crude oil price in the world? Brent crude. Brent crude, Brent crude. So 1 barrel equal to the $75. 1 barrel equal to how much quantity? 158 liter. 158 liter. So you can buy crude oil also, not for physical. Go to buy MCX. One more options. Now we can buy electricity. So electricity we can take it back. No. So we can buy through only line, right? So now we can buy through future contract electricity from recently launched by NSC and M6 also launched. Okay. So now approved by SEBI. So we can buy through online electricity. Okay. And then they are going to awareness about NSC also for electricity. Those who are consumption about more than 72 kilowatt customers, I will be going to teach about electricity consumption also. Fine. So these are for derivatives. So derivatives we can buy futures and options. Future any doubt you can ask. Till now discuss about only futures. What about options? Futures means bull market we can buy, bear market we can sell. Right? What about options? Noted, option means right to buy or right to sell. Right to buy or right to sell. Okay, right to buy or right to sell, but not the obligation. Next year you can study as the individual subject, right? I'm going to basic. I'm going to cover. So 2 types of options available. Sir, right, sir. Any students? What are the types of option? Call option. Put a very good. Clap it. Very nice. First year student, I am not like this answer. I am not expert this answer. Where you have become big club. When we are studying, we don't know. When we enter into derivative market, we know only call option, put option, right? So now I am telling you what is call option. Somebody said, sir, chicken legs, sir, mutton legs, sir, not like that. So what is call option? What is call option? Right to buy. Right to buy. Put option, right to sell. When market going up, 2 strategies. One first strategy, buy future contract or buy call option. Buy call option. Market come down means sell future contract or buy put option. Don't sell put option. Options should not sell. Okay? Fine. This is only basic. I'm going to take deeply next year. Okay? Finally, sir, here, right? Or we are telling about Java once. Kiran Jamans are here. So they will take fund derivative. So basics anybody can ask. Bull market, we are entered to future, buy future, or call option, buy call option. Bear market, sell future or buy put option. Buy put option. Futures we should pay initial margin 10%, 20% like that. Option we should pay only premium. So which is best option? Future or option? Which is low risk? Noted. Future contracts are high risk, high return. High risk, high return. Option contracts are low risk, high return. Low risk, high return. Okay, you note it. Next time they are going to explain deeply. One more information. Most of the traders are now do option trading. Mostly losing money. Mostly losing money. Okay, especially for option writer, option not buyer. Option buyer also they can't lose money. Option writer lose money. We will discuss about next year. Okay. Right. Coming to the next one, emerging investment mutual funds. So currently mutual fund company how much? Okay. Mutual fund currently 54 company available as of SEBI data. 54 companies available. So what is mutual funds? Money collected from investors investing in different securities. Am I right? Yes or no? For example, I am a company mutual fund company fund manager. I am collected from this campus 5 lakh rupee. I am going to investing in different security return given to you, right? So we know stock prices based for face value, market value, book value. But here we can see only two value: face value and NAV, net asset value. So note what is NAV? Net asset value is equal to total assets minus total liability. Total assets minus total liabilities divided by number of units outstanding. So every day NAV only change, not for face value, right? NAV equal to we are telling about stock price, current market price, CMP. Same like rents also every day fluctuation. Same like NAV also every day changes. Okay, overall key players in mutual funds. Before going to select mutual funds, how to first we should select the best company. What are the top 10 companies in India, mutual fund companies? HDFC, Nippon, and then pardon? Parag Parikh. New name like okay, Parag Parikh, okay. Axis Securities, ICICI Security, and then SBI Securities, Mira Asset. So these are top companies in India. So we can select the best company, and then say for example, how to select the mutual fund. First select the company and select the best fund. Who is the fund manager of the company? Who is the fund manager of the company? We can see the fund manager performance. We can see the fund performance, everything. Say for example, you people are going to Hyderabad for IV, right? SAR is arranged for next week. Example, right? We are going to book the bus today. So how to select the bus? We are going to book Andhra Pradesh transport bus or any private bus. Private bus. So for example, we take Ashok Leyland or Volvo or Benz. Which one is going to select? Benz, right? Fine. Benz is the price also moderate, luxury, right? Emirate, fine. How to select the best bus? We can see the rating. Red bus and go. Sir, bus is very nice, excellent new bus. But next who is operating the bus? Driver. For example, you can start. Driver start the bus from our college within 15 km. Bus is going very smoothly. Okay, that time we go to down, take a cup of tea. Driver take that time cup of tea, black tea, you know. Right? Up to 50 km bus running this way only, like this. After 50 km, like what? It's going on. Happening is, are you believe driver? You immediately call to company, bus company and toll-free number, stop the bus, and otherwise we can down the bus. Or life is not safe. Same like, so mutual fund company equal to owner of the bus. Mutual fund company equal to owner of the bus. Then we are telling about trustee. What about fund manager? Fund manager equal to driver. So driver also must, without good driving, we can't believe our life, right? Am I right? Bus is very good, but for example, you know this which river in on the way, Hyderabad. Here from Hyderabad, any river in Godavari? Yes, in the Godavari river, bus going like this, you can go to downside of Godavari. Yeah, right, it's possible or not? So, suggestion, select the best mutual fund company and best scheme depending on the scheme performance. So, this information is available in the website. Go to the website, mutualfundindia.com and amfindia.com. AMFI, amfindia.com. And particular company AMC websites, mutual fund company websites. Right, mutual funds we can buy two options, direct and regular. Got it? Direct means without distributor, regular with the distributor, regular with the distributor. To become a distributor, to become a fund manager, I'm going to tell about the employment opportunity in that area. Fine. So with the distributor, without distributor, any doubt? So without distributor, directly we can go to mutual fund company website. We should fill KYC. What about KYC? Know your customers. No need to open demat and training account for mutual funds. Not required. Equity scheme, if you invest if you required, you can convert. Otherwise, not required. And next. Yes. Currently, mutual funds more than 12,000 schemes are available. But these are all broad schemes. Not in the broad schemes, you can take photo. Okay. Yes, sir. So you can take photo. Okay, so you can take the photo. This is the broad schemes. Okay, so equity scheme, debt scheme, hybrid scheme, solution oriented, other schemes. Okay, so what do you make mutual funds? Money collected from investors investing in different security. Am I right? Say for example, sir, let's take the first slide. Okay, see listen now. So five, you know the five broad area for mutual funds: equity scheme, debt scheme, hybrid scheme, solution oriented, other scheme. What about equity scheme? Equity schemes are nothing but total maximum money investing in stock market. How much money collected on this campus? 5 lakh rupees. Minimum 90%, maximum 100% investing in stock market. That is the equity scheme. What about debt scheme? 100% money investing in bonds and debentures. Debt scheme is nothing but it comes under the fixed income security. So you can get average return for debt scheme 10%, equity scheme 25 to 30% per annum. This is the past 30 years data. Next we will discuss about what about hybrid scheme. Equity plus debt. So which is high risk? Equity scheme. Which is low risk? Debt scheme. Which is moderate risk? Hybrid. So in my example, equity scheme equal to purely love marriage. Equity scheme equal to purely love marriage. High risk, high return. Right? Am I right? What about debt scheme? Purely arranged marriage. Risk is also low, return also low. What about love cum arranged marriage? What? Hybrid scheme. Equity plus debt, love cum arranged marriage. Right? Yes. And then what about solution oriented? Solution means, say for example, you people are going to marry 25, right? So you can get children 26 or 27. You plan for children education. You plan for children education from 26 onwards. Every month you are going to invest small amount. So that is called for children fund. So after 25, maybe your age is another 51. You are going to marry your children. So after 51, 52, you will be retired. You need money for after 10, 20 years. So that time we should plan for retirement planning. Retirement planning. That is called. So that is called for what? Solution oriented. And one more scheme is available. Gold ETF. You can buy gold through mutual fund schemes also. Currently more than 10 schemes available. More than 10 schemes available. SB gold, Tata gold available. You can buy through mutual fund schemes. Minimum investment lump sum amount 500 rupees. SIP 250 you can buy. Okay. Enough, sir? Yes, you can see the mutual funds are subject to market risk. Okay, equity schemes are, yeah, you can take the photo. Equity schemes are high risk, high return, more volatile. Within a day, you can get 10% profit or lose 10%. Same like stock market, right? Every day they are going to calculate NAV. Okay, who is going to manage funds? Fund manager. Who is going to calculate NAV? Fund opponent. Fund opponent. So they are going to calculate after market hours, after 3:30. So they are going to calculate NAV. So debt schemes are very stable, low risk. Equity schemes are moderate. Risk is depending on the fund allocating funds. Okay, you can take the photo. Yes, this is a major. We know equity scheme. What are the sub schemes for equity schemes? Like the large cap, mid cap, small cap, multi cap. What about large cap? Top top 100 companies are large cap. 101 to 250 company mid cap. Small cap 251 to 500. So depending on the category, this comes under equity. Debt also you can see in our websites. I will show you. Yes. Yes, very, very important. Lump sum amount SIP. You take mobile, we can do live examples. Lump sum amount SIP, we can do for practice. You take your mobile, go to Google, type in SIP calculator. SIP. Okay, so go to calculator, go to Google, go to SIP calculator, select second link, row link. Go to go. The first select lump sum amount. First select lump sum amount. How much we going to invest? For example, your parents are also having money. Right? In India, parents are spending two aspects for money. One is for your education, second one your marriage. Right? For example, your parents have now money for 10 lakh rupees for your marriage. You can invest for another 5 years. Maybe your marriage for 3 years or 5 years, depending on that. Right? For example, plan for 5 years. Mention it in initial investment 10,000. The 10 lakhs. Select the lump sum amount. Again, I repeat it. Go to Google, SIP calculator. Select second link, row link. www. Row link. First, select the lump sum amount. Lump sum means only one time investment. Investment 10 lakhs. Rate of return expectation 10%. Time duration 5 years. So after 5 years, how much money you can earn? 3 lakhs something, right? Is that no? 3 lakhs something. 5 rate of return 10%. Time duration 5 years. How much?
1 lakh.
1,60,000, right? 1,60,000, 61,000. So you can assume rate of return you can get 15%. Instead of 10% change to 15. 2 lakh 1,000, right? Instead of 15 you can change to 20.
2 lakh 48,000.
2 lakh
48,000.
48,000, right? So this is called high risk, high return, low risk, low return. Okay, so now we can change to the SIP, systematic investment plan. Select monthly investment. We can, for example, not now, after getting married and after getting job, we can invest minimum 5 or 10. We can take any one example. 5,000. Okay, monthly 5,000. Time duration 10 years. Rate of return 10% per annum. So after 10th year, how much money investing? 6 lakhs. Correct? Yes or no? Yes. So how much you can get return? Invested amount 6 lakhs. Return 4 lakhs something, right?
4 lakhs.
4 lakhs 70,000, right? So what is the money value? 6 plus 4, 10 lakhs something, right? Now after another 10 years, how much money you additionally invested? 6 lakhs. You can change it 20 years. Instead of 20 years, change to 20 years. Now put signature. Yes, no one is not put signature, let me know. Fill the participant details. All put details? Okay, fine. Okay, instead of 10 years, change to 20 years. How much money investing? 20 lakhs. Sorry, 12 lakhs. How much money you can get? 26 lakhs, right? So this is called up to 20 years, you are assuming active investing. You can change to 30 years. Instead of 20, you can change to 30. Additionally, you invest only 6 lakhs. What is the money value? 1 crore, 3 lakhs. Am I right? Don't open your mouth. One more example I am going to tell, right? So this is for low risk, low return for 30 years, right? Next you can change to rate of interest 12%. Instead of 10, change to 12. How much? 1 lakh crore 54 lakhs, right? If we going to invest in gold ETF, we can get faster 30 years average return 12.2%. I'm telling about only 12. If you invest in hybrid scheme, you can get 16% return. Change to 16, not 6.
3 crore 45.
3 crore 45 lakhs, right? This is moderate risk, moderate return, right? If you're investing in equity scheme, you can get 20% return. Change it 20. Instead of 16, you can change to 20. 7 crore.
83.
Are you believe me or your calculator? Calci, right? So you think about your money, not my money. This is for simple calculation. You can try SIP. For we are going to suggest for you minimum in SIP for 10 years, maximum 13. More than 13 not allowed for SIP, right? Max 30 years it will be automatically closed. You can go to renewal, right? For example, this is for equity scheme. For example, every month we are going to invest. That is called SIP. What about SWP? Systematic withdrawal plan. For example, see, going to marry 25 or 26? Idea? Approximately 27. Okay, 27. She will get baby 28 or 29? 29. Boy or girl? We don't know. Approximately we take for boy. First boy, second girl. We can take example. Okay, fine. So when we are going to marry for the another 25, right? 29 plus 25, 54. So you are going to retire for at the age of 54 or 55. So after 55, how long do you expect for living? 70 or 80 or 100? 60, very less mark. 65 you can take, 70 you can take. For example, up to 70, she will be going to living, right? His account also has 3.5 crores. His husband account also having 3.5 crores. So after 55, she will take money from mutual fund. That is every month there is no SWP, systematic withdrawal plan. Okay. After the particular period, we can take money for our, for example, our faculty members. We can take example, right? For example, investing regularly in your mutual fund account, you are having for 2 crore. So maybe we lose our job. So what can we do? Another 6 months we get money. So we can withdraw from SWP. Possible. So that is called SWP, means systematic withdrawal plan for particular period. Okay. So next we can go to, so you can how to select the mutual funds in terms of long term, short term, medium term. We can take the photo. SIP, STP, steps. Investing? Yes. Yeah. For example, depending on the age, we are going to reduce the risk, right? First, initially, you can take for equity, and then hybrid or STP, systematic transfer plan, right? For example, if you are investing for 30 years, first 10 years equity, generally, next 10 years hybrid, next 10 years debt. Okay. For example, step of equity means for this year I am going to tell. Next 1 year market will not go. Maybe market come down. What can we do? Equity converted to debt. Equity converted to debt. So this is the step of mutual fund schemes, right? If market is going up, means all the debt scheme converted to equity. Or the market is now fluctuating trend. they are going to change to hybrid scheme, right? There is a step of equity depending on the market condition. Yes, next. Pardon?
Comes in the Thailand.
Yes, distributor, can I be informed about the distributor? They will tell you. No. You are advisor, you are distributor. Otherwise, you can change it. Direct scheme is you will do everything. Regular scheme through distributor, they will take care. If you inform to the distributor, they will take care. Yes, so very important as the MBA guy. Before completing MBA, we should complete the NISM certification. What about NISM? National Institute of Securities Market. So I am a panel trainer with the NISM, BSc, NSc, and MCX, NCDEX, and CDSL, NSDL also. So to become an employee, SEBI or NISM, how many of you willing to go for SEBI employee, assistant manager? Entry level job, you believe me or not, you can see the latest announcement from SEBI, it's close to that. Last October, announcement came, the package is 34 lakh per annum. 34 lakh per annum for SEBI assistant manager category. To become an employee in NISM, I will guide you, MBA finance is minimum package per annum 10 lakhs per annum. 10 lakh per annum is several organization. But it should not any extra amount, right? No, for example, if you go for any state government jobs in Andhra or Tamil Nadu, they are given corruption. No need to give. I will guide you. Without corruption, you can be the government employee, NISM. So you should complete. NISM also conducting different courses. 2 years program available. PG, DM, Securities Market available, and 1 year program available. 3 months courses available. Data science available. Securities law available, and then recently announced some courses. You can see the website. And apart from certification courses, so to become an employee in securities market or mutual fund industry, these exams are mandatory. Securities market, derivatives, merchant banking, investment advisor, research analyst. So I'm going to say next. Yes, for this, kindly note it. You take the photo. First 3 modules. Very important, try to complete before completing secondary MBA, especially for finance background. First module very easy, no negative mark, 50, 150 mark. Wait, 12 not required for this case, or only for this case only required. 12 not, if it's a learning purpose you can study, but no need to apply for exam. My suggestion, you can find this first. You can study 12, but don't need to apply for exam. No need to apply for exam. And then better you can apply for the first exam. Mutual fund distributor, 100 question, 50 mark, no negative mark. And then second equity derivative. In your syllabus available derivative next day. Yes, so you can, the both benefit you can enjoy. You can complete your curriculum also, you can complete the exams. So derivative 4 module available. Equity, commodity, currencies and interest rate are common module available. So we expect this module, equity derivative, more than enough. Compared to commodity derivative, very easy, equity derivative. Okay, you can try this exam. First, before this semester, I do this exam, first one, mutual fund distributor. I will send the material immediately. You can prepare well. So this around 300 pages, don't panic. Very simple only. You can understand the concept. You can apply exam 100 question, 100 mark. Fine. And then next year you can plan for the 2 exam, equity derivative and research analyst. More demand. If you complete research analyst model, I will assure you can get Trisel CAD. CAD is very difficult to get job. Trisel you can join. Starting pay is 9 lakh per annum for research analyst. The first 2 exam you should complete. I will refer any broking companies minimum 4 to 5 lakhs. Minimum? Definitely. If you complete the first 2 modules, definitely you can get job. I will assure. No need to pay single paisa to me and Sir also. We expect from small treat, right? To 5 rupees charge and enough. Right? Remember it. So I am going to share the material. How to apply exam? You can go to website. Go to Google. NISM login. This exam you can apply through NISM login. Go to NISM login. Who have you registered now? So already we LOA with NISM?
There is.
Yes. No. LOA, letter of understanding. Super, sir. Congratulations. If you registered that, how many of you registered? No one not registered. Try to register today onwards. Today is a good day, Friday, right? You can register today. They need 3 documents. PAN card compulsory. Your education qualification not required for this exam. PAN card compulsory. Recent passport size photo on Aadhaar card. Scan copy. PAN card, Aadhaar card, recent passport size photo needed for this exam. So you have a soft copy, you can upload JPG format only accepted. But one more information, if you are going to register, what mentioned your PAN number, your name, first name, not that should not change. And only the profile will be uploaded. So you can register for this exam. Within 2 working days, the profile will be uploaded. You can start exam. Study material you can download free of cost. Apart from study material, my suggestion, if you study this exam, use some tips how to clear the exam. 1 month you study the book. You study theoretically and practically. You can also you can clarify with faculty. Otherwise, you can go to YouTube. Many people, persons are talking about mutual funds derivative. You can learn practically. Otherwise, you can approach the company. Practical learning only, you can get good marks. Theoretical, not you can get good mark. And then last 10 days, you should do this practice. You can note it on the website. Pass4Sure. PASS pass number 4sure.in. You can do practice. You should pay 500 rupees. So you can pay 4 or 5%, 5% you can join, no issue. Per head 100 rupees only. Right? So you can do practice last 10 days. That these exams are multiple choice questions, not descriptive. For descriptive, you can write 330, 350 mark, right? Not like this. These multiple choice questions are come, they ask you for some twist. The meaning will be changed, right? Like this question will come. You do practice well, then only. Right? If I will give you an offer, right? If you get more than 80 subject, okay, I will give you a request for 1,000 rupees. For my money. Some companies are also given. Okay, I will guide you. Don't worry. I will do. If you are really interested, you can contact me. You can create one WhatsApp. You can add my name and star name and dates. Like a friend's faculty name, so you can add it. I am going to start all the materials. I have a lot of materials, right? You can study well, but I can't study. I can't write for exam for you. I can teach you. I can guide you, right? More employment opportunity, less. And then the last one, first 3 you can try, and another 2 you can try next year. The investment advisor, 10-year 10B, more demand. If you complete a 10-year 10B, the opportunity will come to your email regularly. Up to these 3 months, you can approach any company. But if you complete investment advisor 10-year 10B, company will approach to you. Same like CMA. Try to complete this exam 10-year 10B. You can try. Okay, these are employment opportunity for research analyst, investment advisor, fund manager. Better you can visit the website, NISM website also. Lot of information is available. Time is very short. So NISM website also. And one more, try to visit NISM campus. You can mention. Yeah, 30 per batch, 30 students plus 2 faculty allowed. So you can try. One day means very nominal, about 5 rupees one day. There is no accommodation and everything. 3 days better you can try. That is my suggestion. You can 2 days classes are connected. 1 day we should BSc, NSc, semi also. You can try. Okay. Yes. So we are coming to the end of the presentation. Okay, so before going to enter into securities market as a investor or trader, we should follow these do's and don'ts in securities market. You can take the photo. Ready?
Normal photo, GPS. GPS. Before also is normal fitness. That's a
Okay, so next, listen now. So next we are going to discuss about for do's and don'ts in securities market. So before going to enter into securities market, we should open trading and demat account on this SEBI registered broking company. So this information available in the SEBI website. Go to sebi.gov.in, go to intermediaries. You can show the list of intermediaries, stock exchanges, depositories, trading number, clearing number, all the information is available. The stock broking company will give you for the client code, 6-digit to 8-digit client code, so you can buy and sell. That's no only authorized app on, so unauthorized apps are not accepted. So try to avoid download trading, try to avoid dropout trading. So try to avoid for example, on social media information is also many information are fake information. Try to avoid. So this should be followed. Do's and don'ts in securities market. Apart from SEBI website available. So SEBI investor.sebi.gov.in, investor.sebi.gov.in, and then another website, scores.gov.in, company related issues we can do, and then app available, Sardi app available, enough. So Sardi app available, and then Screener.in next. Yes, you can only take the photo also, SEBI website, investor.sebi.gov.in. Okay, so next. Yes, this is Sarthi app. You can download the app. So not today, up to end of your life, this app will not change. So you can see any doubts clarification. PDF material available, audio based lecture available. You can download this app on one more website also, investor.sebi.gov.in. You can do SAP calculator, STP, everything available. Okay. Yes. This is a free exam, right? You can register today, you can try to complete tomorrow. This everyone try to register this exam. You can scan it. But I will give you one offer. Those who are completing before tomorrow evening, those who are getting out of 50-50, I will give you one surprise gift. Right? Tomorrow evening, you can note it. They ask you for more than 7 data: name, email ID, contact number, and Aadhaar number asking, and referral code, my code 1411, CBRP referral code 1411, asking data. You can fill, and you can after they send OTP also. Say the one is for this OTP. So one is for Aadhaar registered mobile number OTP, email ID OTP also come. So after that you can enter into exam, right? Next one, try to answer. You know, you don't know, no issue. Our Guru ChatGPT is there. Okay. ChatGPT will exact answer. You can try. My suggestion: you can join group minimum 4-5 members. You can discuss the question and answer. The answer is difficult. You can try to ChatGPT, and then you can apply the test. Okay. Remember, so that will be learning. That will be learning. So these questions are very easy. Don't panic. Very simple questions you are asking. So what is demat account? So what are the document related demat account? What is primary market? What is stock exchange market? This question asking, very simple question. So before 3 years, we conducting only for investor awareness program. SEBI now investor awareness test also. How much level for investors their knowledge about securities market. So that's why this exam conducted through NISM, National Institute of Securities Market. Next. Yes. Next, last. Yes, avoid downward trading. I told you. Next, yes, this is very important. Unethical. So now we lost money and we lost not from 2 things. One is Instagram now, right? Money and heart also losing, right? Am I right? And some Facebook information, some WhatsApp information. information. So wrong information are coming. So try to avoid this kind of information. Semi-listed broking company, semi-listed investment advisor, semi-listed investment research and information are authentication information. I will show you this website also. Next. Okay, so this kind of scams are also coming. Try to avoid. Recently one scam I am going to share to you. I have seen one audio video based talk about our finance minister Nirmala. You can invest 22,000 rupees in post office. So after 1 year you can get 10 lakh. How it's possible? One of the close friend, he was a police officer. He's a police officer in Tamil Nadu. He called me. I can invest 10 lakh rupees. Yo, are you a police officer? Yeah. So don't believe this kind of information. For example, if you invest in 10 lakh rupees, you don't will take credit. So if you invest in 10,000 rupees, maximum you are expecting 20% return. Your principal amount also, interest also, you can get. If you are expecting more than 20, your principal amount also go with the interest also, right? Am I right? That's why don't believe this kind of information. Any doubt, any clarification, you can see the SEBI website, a toll-free number, or you can contact faculty and me also. Okay, faculty also know finance faculty. So thank you so much for your kind listening. Especially thanks to my friend and team sir given the great opportunity. My humble request as the brother and contact elements, as the MBA guy, you should create, you should develop your skills, not knowledge. Knowledge is this much level enough. We need this much level skill. Am I right? Nowadays technologies are coming. Example, finance area, Python for finance, Power BI, and analytics, AI using for finance. So and then advanced Excel. Now everything available in ChatGPT. But we should do something. We should learn something. We can apply for advanced Excel. Nowadays many opening available for finance background for analytics, fintech, financial technology, right? Okay, thank you so much. Any doubts, any clarifications? Any one or two doubts, clarifications? Any doubts, any clarification? Please feel free to ask me.
Sir, please share your contact.
Yeah, note my contact number. 99654 99654 66999 99654 66999. My name is Dr. K. Prabharan, SEBI Smarts. You can go to Google also available. My number, name, photo, everything available. Okay? 99654 66999. So you can contact through WhatsApp. Is my best way. Don't call. You can call after 5 p.m. before 10 p.m. Don't call after 10 p.m. Okay? Sometimes why two kids are sleeping only morning, early morning, wake up also morning, right? We people are not like that. We going to sleep maximum 10 to 10:30. We wake up 6 a.m. People going to sleep only 1 p.m. 1 a.m. up to 7 to 8, 7 a.m. College will open 8:15 only. We can wake up 7:45 like this. Maybe coming directly come to college. Some days are not resting also, not walking also. Am I right? Okay, thank you so much. Thank you. Any one or two feedback? I expect one by one girl, please.
Yes. Tell me now. Practice.
It's been a wonderful class where we can learn regarding securities market and commodities market. As we are MBA students, it is more into investing and securities and all of that. Hope everyone is interested to move in enhancing their funds. Yeah, that's it. Thank you.
Okay, anybody?
It was a very good morning to all of you. As today, our guest faculty, Dr. Prabhakaran sir, has concentrated about what we are going to go through the different subjects in the third semester and fourth semester. So that is financial market services, investment analysis and portfolio management. When you go for the fourth semester, financial derivative. So within 1 hour, the sir has covered almost all the areas. So what can I do, sir, for the coming third and fourth semester? You covered all the areas.
This is eye-opening.
So it's very nice to meet my friend after long time, 15 years. Yeah, and meet there in the Palachas. So, sir has told you one free test. Securities market. Securities market foundation. Securities market foundation test. So, in the afternoon, at least 10 members register with Shravan sir. 10 members is free, only some documents are required. Free and then pass tomorrow and day after. There is a surprise prize from Prabhakaran sir also. So I need at least 10 members by afternoon. Now I request you, sir, please, we would like to felicitate you.
As a mark of respect and gratitude, we request our dignitaries to felicitate our esteemed resource person, Dr. K. Prabhakaran. I request all staff members to come up on the dais to felicitate our resource person.
There are two tasks now. One is that uniform distribution will be there, and simultaneously you go to your respective mentors. So they will discuss with you. For other people who are having these uniforms, you just collect from the HOD room. Okay, this is clear?
I request everyone to kindly rise for the national anthem.
బాబు 2 minutes కూర్చోండి మా 2 minutes. Before 11, మీ రెస్పెక్టివ్ మెంటర్స్ మీట్ అవ్వండి మీరు. మనం పీరియాడికల్లీ మెంటర్స్ మీటింగ్ ఉంటుంది ఎవ్రీ 15 days వన్స్. మనకు ఆల్రెడీ 15 days కంప్లీట్ అయింది కాబట్టి సెకండ్ మీట్ అన్నమాట ఈరోజు. మీ రెస్పెక్టివ్ మెంటర్స్ మీరు చూసి మీ అటెండెన్స్ ఇప్పుడు వరకు ఎలా ఉంది, ఏదైనా మీ ఇంప్రూవ్మెంట్ కోసం ఏదైనా సజెషన్స్ ఇస్తే తీసుకోండి ఫస్ట్. నెక్స్ట్ ఏంటంటే మనకి ఎక్స్టర్నల్ ఈవెంట్స్ కొన్ని వచ్చున్నాయి మా. నెంబర్ 1 వచ్చేసి పుట్టపర్తిలో ఒక ఈవెంట్ వచ్చింది, మేనేజ్మెంట్ ఫెస్ట్. తర్వాత యోగి వేమన్ యూనివర్సిటీలో బోర్డు వచ్చింది. నెక్స్ట్ బోర్డు వచ్చేసి జనరల్ సంబంధించి బి యాక్టివ్ సంబంధించి ప్లాన్ ఉంటుంది, మంచి ప్రైజెస్ కూడా ఉన్నాయి. కాబట్టి ఆ ఈవెంట్స్ ఒకసారి చూడండి, వీళ్ళకి మనం వాళ్ళని మోటివేట్ చేసి పార్టిసిపేట్ చేసిన ప్లాన్ చేద్దాం. ఈ మంత్ ఎండింగ్లో ఉన్నాయి, మార్చి ఫస్ట్ వీక్లో ఉన్నాయి, కాబట్టి మ్యాక్సిమం పార్టిసిపేట్ చేసినట్టుగా ప్లాన్ చేద్దాం. ఒకసారి ఆ పోస్టర్స్ని రెఫర్ చేయండి, దాన్ని బట్టి ప్లాన్ చేస్తాం. ఓకేనా? థ్యాంక్ యూ. మీట్ అవ్వండి మీ మెంటర్స్.
అది కాదురా, కాదట
ఎవరిది నీదా ఫోన్ అదా?
అది కాదురా, ఓరా రావడం
రేపు పైకంటే వచ్చేస్తుంది కదా
డైరెక్టర్. రామ్రా
నా దగ్గర లేదు.
నీకు సేవ్ చేయవులే.
అడిగి తీసుకురా పెట్టాలా